Annoyed by the GDI Library DLL causing your system to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. This DLL file is the library for the Graphics Device Interface Plus, GDI Plus. It provides advanced 2D vector graphics, imaging, and typography services used by applications to draw icons, windows, and sophisticated graphical layouts. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run System Graphics scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like the GDI Library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the GDI library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Installing an unverified version of the GDI Library DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to the GDI library management. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Windows OS Core today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.